The need for security and convenience in modern company offices is increasing all the time. This is no different at the headquarters of Carber AG in the Swiss town of Wetzikon. As a locking system specialist, Carber has itself installed the new Carber TouchGo electronic locking system to run alongside an online access control system. Walking through Carber can seem like walking through the set of a science fiction film. Doors and gates open with no sign of a key or badge. Merely touching a Carber TouchGo reader or door handle is all that's needed to check access authorizations. The Carber TouchGo transponder can be carried anywhere, in a bag, jacket or on a belt. It makes no difference. The Carber TouchGo lock comes into its own by recognizing whether the office user is still inside after the office door is closed. As long as they remain in the office, colleagues can walk in and out freely without needing to carry an authorized TouchGo transponder. This office function can be enabled on a lock-by-lock basis and is particularly suitable for individual offices. The door is automatically locked as soon as the office user leaves. Now only individuals who possess an authorized Carber TouchGo transponder can enter the office. It goes without saying that cleaners, security guards and other authorized personnel can continue to pass freely through Carber TouchGo doors using their RFID badges or door keys. Based on RCID technology, Carber TouchGo can be integrated seamlessly into existing locking systems. There's no need to convert an entire building to TouchGo at the same time. You are completely free to start by fitting TouchGo just to those doors that are especially important. The Carber TouchGo badge holder is designed to accept existing RFID badges. Carber employees are able to continue using their RFID badges to pay for food in the staff restaurant, or pass through access control points that are not yet equipped with Carber TouchGo. While ease of use on doors that do have Carber TouchGo is massively increased. All access authorizations are centrally administered and programmed on the locks using CardLink or the handheld programmer. Carber TouchGo transponder batteries have a service life of at least 2 years, and an early low battery warning means that you will always know when it's time for a change. TouchGo fits perfectly into our existing security strategy. The new lock was welcomed by our staff straight away, and we now can't imagine ever being without it. Carber TouchGo, the convenient side of security.